In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Constant Contact. We will walk through creating and sending an email campaign, starting from the main menu and finishing with a send. Begin by looking at the left navigation menu. Find Channels, then select Emails. This takes you into the Email tool, where your email campaigns are managed. From here, you are ready to create a new message. Next, start your campaign by clicking the +Create button or the option that says +Create an email. Either one will begin the email creation process. After that, you will be taken to the template library. Templates give you a pre-built layout which makes it much faster to create an email that looks professional. Take a moment to browse the template options. When you find one that matches the style you want, hover your mouse over it and click Select. This opens the email editor, where you will customize the design and content. In the editor, you will use a drag-and-drop interface. This means you can build your email layout by dragging content blocks from the left-hand toolbar directly into the email. You can add blocks such as images, text, buttons, or videos, depending on what you need. As you place each block, keep your layout simple and easy to scan. Clear headings, short text sections, and a visible button are helpful for most campaigns. Once your content is in place, open the Design tab to style your email. This is where you adjust global colors, fonts, and background graphics so the email matches your brand. Using consistent colors and readable fonts will help your message feel polished and trustworthy. When you are ready to move on, click Continue. After you click Continue, wait a few seconds for Constant Contact to load the next screen. This can take a little time, so do not click repeatedly. Now configure your send settings. Choose the list or segment you want to receive the email. Then add your subject line. Make the subject line clear and specific, since it is the first thing people see in their inbox. Finally, click Send. Constant Contact will send your email to the selected audience using the settings you chose. That covers everything you need to know.